Number 1. Instant Pot Pro. The Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 6-quart pressure cooker is here to revolutionize your kitchen. This app-enabled marvel doesn't just meet expectations, it shatters them. First, you've got 10-in-1 functionality, which means this single gadget can pressure cook, slow cook, sous vide, sauté, bake cake, steam, and more. Imagine the space and money you'll save by not buying separate appliances. You'll love the convenient 5 programmable settings. Customize your cooking process for favorite recipes without breaking a sweat. It's incredibly user-friendly thanks to its simplest, easiest-to-use interface. With its premium cookware-grade inner pot, you can move from the Instapot to the stovetop seamlessly. Whether pressure cooking to retain flavor or slow cooking for traditional recipes, the Pro 10-in-1 doesn't disappoint. Safety is paramount, and this model excels with overheat protection, a locking lid, and a gentle steam release switch. You'll find cooking for up to 6 people a breeze, perfect for families or your meal prep routine. Releasing steam via the app or gently through the diffusing cover makes it quieter and cleaner. While it tends to be pricier, the extra sealing ring and stainless steel steamer rack are handy additions. You might miss the lower cost of other models, but trust us, the features here are worth every penny. After extensive testing, it's clear this is the best electric